The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 arrived not as a revolution, but as a masterclass in refinement. While the Pocket 3 was already a favorite, the Pocket 4 battery life and slow motion flexibility, cementing its place as the ultimate tool for solo content creators. Osmo Pocket 4 an impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor, and it supports 4K recording at 120 fps. This allows for battery-smooth slow motion without sacrificing the clarity of the larger sensor. Low light performance is marginally better with 2 updated processing algorithms, keeping noise to a minimum during evening shoots. The battery will jump to a 1545 mAh, provides over 200 minutes of recording time, a 20% increase. It supports 360 infinite panning, unlocking new creative vortex shoots and better object tracking. The rotatable OLED 2-inch display is noticeably brighter, making it much easier to frame shots under direct sunlight. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.